So often we have patients who come to see us that have been very reluctant to visit the dentist, and we understand going to the dentist is not something that you look forward to, myself included. There's one particular lady I remember, she'd come in, she hadn't been to see the dentist, I would say a good 5 to 7 years, and her teeth had just deteriorated over that period of time because of her fear. She had a fear of the dentist, she had a fear of the smell of going to the dentist, she was a needle phobic. There's many things impacting why she wouldn't go to the dentist. So when she first came in, literally the conversation was very, I would say, cold. As much as I tried to get information out of her, she was one-word answers, and we get that part because it's no fun being in the dentist chair, being embarrassed about your teeth, then the dentist coming in, taking photographs, putting them up on the screen. So I understand that first interaction is very, very difficult. So I specifically remember this particular person because we changed her life dramatically. She hadn't smiled for such a long time. I had to give her the not so good news that she was going to lose all of her teeth. And you can imagine a young woman about to lose all of her teeth, what impact that would have psychologically on that person. So she started to cry and was uncontrollable, and we then showed her examples of what is possible, and if she looks after it, how long it can possibly last her. The other part that she was really scared about was that if we removed her teeth, how would she walk out of the dental office, right? That's a legitimate concern. I can't just take the teeth out and send a young lady out with dentures which you take out and put into a glass at night. That is really not something that we would want to do. So today we have technology whereby we're able to remove teeth, place dental implants, and provide patients with teeth the same day. Now those teeth are not final teeth, those teeth are temporary teeth. Now some of you may be surfing the internet and looking to see, I find some places where they give you permanent teeth in 24 hours. And I'm going to tell you, be very careful about going to those places. And I'm going to explain it simply by saying, if you got a cut on your hand or your finger, how long would that cut take to heal? It would take a few days, maybe a couple of weeks to heal, right? So imagine now we're taking all of these teeth out and we're putting implants in and we're doing surgery, and after surgery you're going to get some shrinkage of the gum and shrinkage of the bone and what have you. If you had the final teeth the same day or 24 hours later, 6 months later you'd have a space underneath those teeth, and you'd get food entrapped there, and it'd just be a mess. So we provide patients temporary teeth for two reasons. One is that we want all the gums to settle. Two, we need to figure out the cosmetics, we need to figure out the bite, we need to make sure that our patients love their teeth, and the temporary teeth look absolutely amazing. So going back to this particular lady, we took her teeth out, we put her temporary teeth in, and she was astonished. For the first time in 10, 12 years, she was able to look at herself in the mirror and smile. And after a few days of healing, she came back and she was a totally different person. Now, we waited with the temporary teeth for about 6 months, and then we provided her with her final teeth. And once again, when we plan teeth, we don't just plan the teeth. We start with your face and we work backwards, right? The teeth have to fit into your face overall. And as I said, we have technology such as face scanners, CT scans, cameras that can scan your mouth, and we put all this information together, but the primary focus is the face. The teeth have to look good in the patient's face. So the day we put the teeth in, she was crying uncontrollably, but this time she was crying in a good way. It really changed her life. And as you see these before and afters, you'll see the difference. You'll see the smile, you'll see the difference in the lip, you'll see the difference in her facial features. I remember this, very, very well. I really enjoyed being a small part of changing her life, and I can assure you, going forward, many things in her life will change, from confidence to nutrition to interacting with people to just living life. She's begun to live her life again. You don't realize the value of your teeth until you lose them. And once you lose them, you think, oh my God, I should have taken care of them. But today, for some reason, if you've lost your teeth or are about to lose your teeth, people go through various times in their life where things are challenging and they let go of themselves. We understand that. But we have the technology to be able to give you your teeth back that are better, brighter, and can last a long time. So if you get a moment, take a moment to visit our website. It's www.anacapadental.com, and hopefully we'll meet one day so that we can change your life.